The tape measure tool within AcroSketch allows you to verify key measurements of your custom mat drawings. For this mat, we have a large square shape with a rectangular cutout in the upper left-hand side. Before we finalize this design and jump to the next step, we're going to confirm dimensions using the tape measure tool. First, check magnetic snap. This will make sure the cursor of your tape measure jumps to the closest grid line. From there, simply click from one border to the next and it will populate the measurements. If you determine your cutout is in the wrong place or needs to be expanded, simply navigate back up to the toolbar, click the cursor tool, Settings, uncheck Magnetic Snap. This allows you to drag the borders of your cutout to the nearest inch. And you'll also notice the measurement tool populating in real time. While we use the cutout tool for this example, the tape measure also works well with the seam tool, the cable cover tool, and the built-in safety stripe tool. Once you finalize your design, if you leave these tape measure markings on your drawing, they will show up on your quote. This works well if you want to print it out and take it to another department or team member to confirm dimensions, but if you don't want them on there, simply go back up to the toolbar, click the eraser, and you can knock them off one by one.